Hello everyone, my name is Jason Mays. I'm a developer advocate within the TensorFlow team here at Google. And today I've got Meghna with me from the TensorFlow Lite Micro team to talk about more about what they've produced in the recent past. So what have you made and what is TensorFlow Lite?
Hi, thanks for the introduction. So I'm Meghna and I work on the TensorFlow Lite for Microcontrollers team at Google. So my team basically has built a platform that helps you to run machine learning models on the edge. What that implies is you can build machine learning models using, let's say, TensorFlow, and these are optimized to run on really tiny devices like the SparkFun Edge that we have here, or an Arduino, and so on, and other platforms that we support.
So what are the advantages of TF Micro?
Yeah, so there are a lot of advantages, one being that it's super tiny and lightweight, so that it can be a part of a lot of other appliances for doing machine learning. So it could be like a refrigerator or a washing machine, and it's countless.
Very flexible.
Yes, and the second thing is that it needs no network connectivity, so it runs without any Wi-Fi or any internet, and that's because the model is completely running on device.
And that's great if you're in a remote location, like a field or something like this. So,
yes, so it has great applications there. The third one is the fact that it's completely secure. So there are a lot of security concerns with like machine learning models being used for various other applications. And in this way, you can assure that the model is completely running on device and the data is not being transmitted anywhere else.
So can we see a demo in action?
Yeah. So as you can see here, the rightmost LED is orange in color, which implies that it's detecting that it's not a person.
Yep.
And as I move it towards you, the LED would turn yellow. So the one on the left of it has just turned yellow, which implies that it's detected that you're a person.
Awesome, great demo. So how can people get started with this if they want to at home?
So yeah, we do have a GitHub page and a website that you can check out. So it's TensorFlow Lite for Microcontrollers. Yeah, that should be a great place to get started.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for the information today, and happy hacking to those at home. Hey everyone, we're back with Pete Warden from the TensorFlow Lite Micro team, and we've got a super magical demo for you today. So tell us more, Pete, what is this?
So this is a magic wand, believe it or not.
Excellent.
And if you want to see what it does, I'm going to try and demonstrate here by doing a W gesture, and we should see that reflected on the screen. And there we go.
Look at that, a beautiful W on the screen.
And then we try a slope.
And sure enough, we got the slope coming up as well.
Perfect.
Awesome. Cool, so this is a really awesome demo, but how did you actually create it?
Well, you might be able to tell by the awesome craftsmanship here that I actually used some masking tape to attach this Nano 33 BLE sense board from Arduino. And it actually contains a tiny accelerometer, which is how it's actually able to recognize the gestures that are running.
Yes. Yeah. Very cool. And how much do these go for?
This is about $30.
OK, so fairly low cost of entry.
Fairly low cost, and you actually don't need a magic wand. You can use a stick.
Anything is suitable for this. Perfect. Awesome. So how can we get started if we want to do this at home?
So the nice thing is we've been able to work with the Arduino community and get TensorFlow Lite as an official library in the Arduino IDE. So you can just go to the Manage Libraries entry in the menu and get TensorFlow Lite for yourself.
So it's pretty much just plug and play then?
Exactly.
Thank you very much, Pete.